Hello there, everyone. So this trade was up $400,000 and now it's up only 7,000. How did this happen? Who is selling Bitcoin? Why is everything crashing? What is happening? Is this the end of crypto? Let's just dig right into it, because this kind of a monumental crash in Bitcoin all the way down to 60,000. So what is happening? Let me show you. First reason why that is because German government is currently, it appears to be selling Bitcoin right now. They sent, again, this was some time ago, but they're sending a lot of Bitcoin right now to exchanges, and they're actually holding 43,000 Bitcoin. So if they're going to keep selling, we had selling from Grayscale, which subsided somewhat, and now we have German government selling Bitcoin, but that's not it. That's not all. Possibly ahead of the MiCA regulation in Europe. We'll see. Europe isn't that very much important for crypto. It is important, but the US and Asia is much more important than Europe. But we'll see what happens from here, because Germany is holding billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, which can translate into huge selling pressure. But this is just reason number one, and it just started. So this could continue theoretically. Reason number two is right here. Mt. Gox will begin $9 billion worth of Bitcoin repayments in July. So this is what the market is being spooked by, exactly this. So Germany and Mt. Gox to begin repayments in July because of the selling pressure. A lot of people are saying it's going to go down to $30,000 a Bitcoin. And if you think so as well, please let me know down in the comments. But overall, these are the two main reasons. But now, before I move to the chart, let me explain the other side of the story here, and let's see if it outweighs these two critical points that actually are driving the prices down. So, and remember guys, I'm trading over on Bybit, as you can see, and I'm holding millions of dollars with Bybit. And if you want a 42% discount on trading fees, then you can use my link to Bybit down in the description of this video. And for you to get a 42% discount on your fees using my link, you need to deposit and trade with more than $100,000. If you want to claim up to $30,000 in general deposit bonuses, you can do so as well in the reward center after using my link to sign up with Bybit. And there is other bonuses you can see on the screen right here. But the main one is a 42% discount for whales and deposit bonuses also on top of it. Now, before we come back to the chart, let me give you some very important information outside of the two reasons why Bitcoin is dumping right now. Here is first one. And this is something interesting I want you to notice, that if you look at Ethereum right now, let's look at the chart right here. So Ethereum has gone down 5%, while Bitcoin has gone down 6%. So Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin right now. And we're also saying right here that there is a huge spike in Ethereum addresses, active addresses. Why? Because of the ETF, because all the attention is on Ethereum right now. So therefore, our trade, which I'm gonna probably continue scaling further and making it an even bigger trade. Tell me in the comments if you think I'm crazy, because right now all of the attention will be on Ethereum. And besides this, what matters and what you need to pay attention to is all that we need right now is this right here. That global liquidity is about to explode. Buy everything the government cannot print. And I agree with this guy right here, because this is what it looks like. And it also coincides with the election cycle. So if we look at this here, is what you need to understand if you're just holding Bitcoin, if you're trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever. The Bitcoin ETFs. And by the way, guys, also when it comes to the event horizon, we're going to we'll be launching a huge, we're going to announce it separately in separate videos. So just quickly to mention it, is that there's going to be, if you want a chance to trade with over $1 million and you want to move to Dubai, all expenses paid, and live in Dubai and trade in Dubai on our trading floor, we're going to create a huge trading competition very soon. We are preparing it for anyone who wants to join. The top 5 winners of the first stage will come to Dubai and will trade at our Event Horizon trading floor, and it's going to be part of our decks down the road. And the 5 best ones will get a chance to move to Dubai, all expenses paid, get a new life, and trade with us at the Event Horizon office in Dubai. So we'll make a separate video and announce it. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. And you don't need to pay anything for this participation, and show what you can do as a trader and get a chance to come to Dubai in just literally a couple of weeks. So it will be really cool. So what you need to pay attention to right here is that the Bitcoin ETFs have been buying more than double the amount of Bitcoin that has been mined since the launch of the ETF. Don't get distracted by short-term selling. Very good point. New Bitcoin mined, 108,000 Bitcoin, while 224,000 Bitcoin were purchased by DTFs alone. So this is not all. Here is what I also want you to see, that last time Bitcoin was so heavily oversold, as Crypto Rover has pointed out, was so heavily oversold as it is now, was 300 days ago. And this also marked the bottom. It was right here at the $28,000 a Bitcoin. So we're seeing a very similar situation right now. It doesn't mean it cannot go lower, but still. And also, if you're considering to get out of Bitcoin because of all this German threat and, the Mt. Gox redistribution, whatever repayment, here is why you shouldn't freak out about the current price action. And this is the chart right here. So these are previous cycles. Purple, whatever that is, let's say pink, blue, green, gray. So right now, this is our current cycle right here, gray color. So we're standing literally right here. And the previous cycles, this was except for the one from 2011, 2015. So the first one, basically, arguably, second one, not the Genesis, yeah, so the second cycle. So here, every time we were standing before, right at the verge of the beginning of the huge parabolic up run. So we're literally standing at a place of the biggest runs ever. So the same thing, like, do you really want to be exiting Bitcoin and crypto right here? 2016, we were consolidating at the all-time high, and then the actual bull market came. 2020, same thing, consolidation at the all-time high, maximum power to the upside. Same thing right here, we're consolidating, going lower, we could jag along, and then finally break out. So exactly the same kind of a scenario. Do you really want to exit crypto? Ask yourself, back in 2016, would you really want to exit crypto here? Or in 2020, do you want to exit crypto here? I really don't think so. So therefore, this brings me to the chart. And overall in Bitcoin, if you do zoom out, it is actually playing like, I should probably have my drawings as market predictions in the future. So this, as I said, we could go down to 58K, and so far we just gone down to like 59. So we are still in the same vicinity. So hopefully at this point, maybe we'll touch it here, turn around, and then finally, somewhere closer to July, August, September, somewhere in this vicinity, the move off will finally begin. So the same thing here. In terms of ETH, yeah, we're pulling back already. And I think that our trade is looking a tiny bit better. Okay, already 20K in profit. So basically here, we have this formation that still has to play out and possibly jog along, maybe even into August, and finally move off after we had exhausted the entire move, after we've exhausted the patience of every single non-diamond hander, and then finally move off without any of their presence. So this is it. It doesn't really look that scary, so please guys, stay strong. I don't care for myself. If it goes lower, I'll be just adding more to this trade. Remember about all the bonuses of Bybit that Bybit is offering, up to 42% discount if you actually use Bybit with more than $100,000, link down in the description of this video. And this huge challenge on Event Horizon, the trading challenge, will start very soon, so pay attention. We'll get a chance to come to Dubai and win a bunch of cash prizes as well. And check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management, so that you actually understand how to use risk and money management properly and make some good profits as well for yourself. And as always, peace and love, Town Scroller. Stay smart, stay very rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.